Hi, I'm Tim Jorgensen in Product Development with Intercorp Limited. We sometimes get the question, why am I required to buy the entire activity kit and not just buy the goggles by themselves with some product lines? When we design an educational tool, we start with the end in mind. What is a safe way to deliver an accurate, engaging message on this type of impairment? Some simple impairment demonstrations can be performed effectively with the goggles alone. For example, our alcohol impairment goggles and concussion goggles can be used in simple walking, balancing, or targeting activities to give a basic awareness message. For this reason, they can be purchased by themselves, and the instructor can use our user guide for ideas on how to present. However, we've been able to further develop other activities around these two goggles to expand these two goggles' versatility to demonstrate these impairments. We have done the hard work of investigating and have tested what exercises work best with an audience. In the end, we designed our program, event, and campaign kits to make presentations as easy as possible for the instructor to deliver a safe, effective, and engaging awareness experience with a variety of tested activities. However, unlike the alcohol and concussion goggles, the marijuana goggles, the drowsy and distracted goggles, and the opioid goggles require the kit accessories and activities to deliver the demonstration. These goggles by themselves just do not demonstrate the appropriate lesson or experience as intended. Our goal is to get a clear and engaging message on each of these types of impairments. And sometimes the goggle is just one piece of the puzzle rather than the entire picture that we want to demonstrate to participants. For this reason, the included kit activities are necessary for the demonstration. Our customers must have the necessary resources to deliver a meaningful and purposeful lesson. If the tool isn't used correctly, then the opportunity to engage a group is lost, or they leave with questions or confusion, and they might be skeptical about the issue. We would love to talk with you about each impairment goggle and activity kit and how these tools work together to give your audience a powerful teachable moment. These experiences can become a bridge to life-changing decisions.